Titanic sank many years ago, and in what situation the wreckage and the remains of Titanic now is? This is the question, and today's video's topic is on this, on the remains of Titanic. We request our new friends to subscribe this channel so that they can get the notification of such interesting video. So let's start today's topic, the remains of Titanic. In the early hours of April 15th, 1912, the RMS Titanic sank more than 12,000 feet beneath the waves, killing 1,517 people. The ship had been on its maiden voyage to New York City, but hit an iceberg about 400 miles from Newfoundland and it sank. The wreckage of Titanic, here wreckage means the remains of Titanic, has remained undisturbed for more than 70 years under sea. And then the US Navy discovered the secret in what condition the remains of Titanic is. Since then, dozens of manned and unmanned submersibles have visited Titanic's underwater remains. In this image, we can see the remains of Titanic under sea. In fact, scientists think that the entire shipwreck could vanish by 2030 due to bacteria that are eating away at the metal of Titanic. In this way, Titanic will be vanished entirely. It will take a long time before the ship completely disappears. But the decomposition, here decomposition means the action of decaying of the wreck is to be expected and it's a natural process. Actually, the decomposition will destroy gradually the remains of Titanic after several years of destruction of a thing. Deep sea currents, salt corrosion, and metal eating bacteria are whittling away. Here, whittling means cutting off into small pieces, actually destroying the wreckage, which lies more than 2 miles under the ocean surface. So we can assume here, we can understand here, so we can realize here that the wreckage and the remains of Titanic is of about 2 miles under the ocean surface. So from today's video, we have come to learn how the wreckage or the remains of Titanic is under sea and in what situation it is now. I think the video is interesting to you. So if you like this video, please give a like for this video and share this video. Thank you all for watching this video and we are meeting in the next video.